Hi, I'm back again. We're going to work on day 32 today, day 32, and that means we're almost a third of the way done. Wow, I can't believe it. It's been 30 days already. Anyways, I'll be back at the end. Talk up to bit. Okay, today is day 32, and that wraps up that one. I'm going to, I really like how this one came out. It didn't take much to finish it. It was already pretty much done, I think. I'm really pleased with how this little project is going. I'm pleased with the collages. I've had a couple people ask me lately how I choose my images, and I have to tell you that it's hard to explain because I do it more visually than anything. So, and I just choose some images that kind of speak to me when I come out of my box and then put them together, which is not very helpful, I know. Anyways, I'm going to read you a quote from 1001 Ways to Creativity and go find another project to get myself into. Don't neglect your sense of smell. It is the sense that most of us take for granted. Next time you go for a walk, try closing your eyes and blocking your ears for a moment and concentrating just on the smells. Okay, guys, I hope you have a great day. Have fun. Go make some art. Bye-bye.